Okay, so we're gonna start out with like, you know,
This?
no, the blanket.
I thought so.
Okay, so we're gonna start out with like the blanket, and sorry if it's like a little dark or you can barely see us. I said blanket.
What blanket? We don't
I
have-
said blanket, but yeah, we're gonna start out with the reef. We're gonna do a reef, and we just like picked up a whole bunch of stuff from the dollar store. We're like, oh, we'll make something out of it. Yeah, let's like do it like this.
We have this stuff.
Yeah, we got blue and white and silver, cause it's like the prettiest.
Yeah, silver.
So how are we gonna
wow.
do this? I've actually never made a reef before.
Me neither. First time.
I guess same, right?
But I actually think it's gonna turn out good.
I know, right? We don't want
Okay,
it to
when
look
you're
ugly
done with
either,
this
right?
one, I'm gonna do the next one. Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna hold mine, which is the blue and gray.
That's silver.
Yeah, silver. It
Alright.
does look sort of.
So here, now let's do the other ones because they match. See, look, they match.
Yeah.
All right, so look, I got this part on. Now we just gotta do the rest. I don't think I got enough garland for it. And when we have these two, and then I got like these.
Why didn't you go to
I know, why didn't I get more? And then I got these. Lily, move that. And then I got these to like just stick on there, so it doesn't look so blue. And then I have silver. It's so shiny here. Let me see that.
The hand is so shiny.
Yeah, we have Lily in here. I don't think you guys met her yet. No, wait, you did. Look, I just got this. I don't even know why I bought it. It's really broken. I realized that after
How is it
I had
broken?
gotten back.
Turn the light
tip
on
is
so
off.
we.
No, Lily, we're recording. Are you doing it? You're not supposed to put it over it. Now Nene's making it. Okay, so look, we already finished half, and it turns out we will have enough because we have two more, and this one is longer.
Yeah.
So,
Pretty.
and it's thicker, and it's the prettiest, of course.
Biggest.
I know. So yeah, we should be good. It actually looks kind of cool. I actually like it. It didn't come out as bad as I thought it was going to.
Yeah, so cool.
Even though it's just half.
Yeah,
literally.
so cool. They are so pretty.
So we only got like half. But yeah.
Ooh, it feels good.
I know.
They are the best that I ever saw.
Okay.
She's crazy.
So yeah, now we're just gonna hurry up and get
Play
this
with the
part done.
candy canes. Can you be quiet after that? Ooh, yummy.
Okay, so we got like most of it done. We just got like one more left. We're not even gonna use the rest of it, but we got like one left. We're not gonna use the entire thing.
So we're gonna have to.
So we'll cut it like when
Yeah.
we like, you know, started. So let's do this. And it's gonna look a little uneven, like well not
Or
uneven,
we
like
could just wrap it
like
around
different.
everywhere. That after.
What?
Ooh. I mean, like, when you're done doing that, and you still have that, you don't have to cut it. You just keep wrapping it around. That's done.
Oh yeah.
And fat.
Ta-da!
Whoa!
You like it, Lily? Aw. Ta-da! We made our
Put
own
my
wreath.
head in it. Hey, I'm okay. Picture frame. We made it.
I know, right?
Oh my god, it feels so good.
Okay, now we just gotta finish it.
Move.
Now we're just gonna finish it. We're just
Can
we
we
like
put this?
no, that was for something else.
But it looks so
You
good
put,
on
yeah,
there.
I got like two
It's
things.
gonna
of
look
this.
so good on there.
No, because I have to. No, because see, look, the stick is gonna stick out in the end.
And then we can cut it.
No,
off.
but I want to put it in this
What is that for?
for something else.
Okay, get her out. What? Lily! What? Get out.
Okay, so now she's finishing up the wreath, and I'm starting up on the ornaments. I'm using up a. It goes in the tray. Christmas ornament. And now I'm using it, and now I'm gonna like put. It's a Christmas ornament. I'm just using holographic string. I think it's holographic. Yeah, it's holographic.
This is tired.
I mean, stop trying to do that.
I could if I wanted to.
Ding a ding a ding a
And I
ding.
could slap you if I
I don't care.
Sorry, wreath came out.